All right, DJT, looks like we're going to get a gap up tomorrow based on what happened with Trump. And last I seen it was at $37 in the 24-hour market. So the bulls are going for that double bottom on the weekly time frame. Going for that double bottom in the weekly time frame was looking like a bear flag, which doesn't look like it's going to play out now. And it's holding that 50-week moving average area. You could see this yellow line over here, which has been a longer term support level for this stock. Next resistance, you could see that 8-week moving average is right around 37 where it's trading now. And then upwards of there, we got this level at $40.54 and $40.74 around that area, the middle weekly Bollinger Band. So we're going to watch those areas as potential resistance, potential targets. And if we do break this $40.54, that could change the weekly trend back in favor of the bulls, where we got a higher low and higher high on the weekly. On the monthly time frame, let's take a look. Our monthly upper Bollinger Band, monthly 4 period was at $40.67. A monthly upper Bollinger Band is all the way up at $54.65, but it is on a monthly lower high pattern. And the last lower monthly high was at $50.62. So if we do really get a push up here, we could be looking towards this area up towards the $50 for a potential another monthly lower high. Hard to imagine this stock pumps too much just because of how large the market cap already is, $6 billion now. And now it's already gapping up another, 20% or so. So it's hard to imagine this stock really goes a little too crazy or becomes like a GME because the market cap is already so high. But of course, anything is possible. But it's going to need a lot of money to come in here to get, multiple hundreds of percents gains here. But I have seen a lot of bubbles. They tend to a lot of these smaller cap bubbles, they tend to push to like 30 billion market cap. And if that were the case on this one, you're looking at about 5 times your money. A potential share price of $150 per share, which it did see in the past. It went as high as 175 in the past. I have a hard time believing it's going to go that high again, but I'm not oblivious to the opportunity or the potential opportunity here. But what I would like to see is we need a gap up, hold that gap, potentially form a support on the daily, consolidate for a few days, form a support on the daily bull flag, and then break out above this $40 mark. That would probably be the healthiest reaction. So we gap up, consolidate for a few days, and then break upwards, and then we continue an uptrend from there. Now, that's what I would ideally be looking for if I was a bull. If you gap up above this level, let's say, or we break this level, you're going to want to see the bulls hold that level as a support now. So you want to see the previous resistance become a support. So there is a potential this stock does begin pumping again because of what happened with Trump. And we do got that double bottom on the weekly now. So it looks like we just want to see the bulls break $40.54 for a little bit more confirmation.